If you often work with spreadsheets, you probably love their ease of use, but you also recognize the problems they generate beyond the manual work. Copy-paste, errors in formulas, many versions of the same document, difficulties to find the correct information. All these drawbacks cause a serious decrease in productivity and generate data reliability risks, directly affecting the decision-making of your business. SheetGo has reinvented the way you manage conventional spreadsheets, enhancing it with benefits that improve the automation and traceability of data, enabling everyone to create in-house automated solutions to facilitate daily work with its spreadsheets. With SheetGo, you'll be able to connect your spreadsheets to colleague spreadsheets, creating a live data flow, getting updated information with which to create any analysis you need with one or more data sources. Consolidate sheets, create historical information, connect filtered data. Have your data the way you want, when and where you need. Furthermore, you can connect to updated public spreadsheets and have its updated data in your spreadsheets automatically. Get entire systems based on spreadsheets with one click and manage all your spreadsheet files in one unique platform. We know no one can live without them. So let's work better with them. Save time and money, improving the way you use your spreadsheets.